Hey guys, so I'm back to you with another video. Basically, my last video was just needed something to get off my chest because it's important to me and it's important to my health and well-being. But anyways, let's get back to tech, which is why I'm here. Alright, over the weekend I picked up these, which are the Liberty Air 2 Pro Limited Edition. So what comes in the box is obviously the earbuds, charging case. Also comes with 9 ear tips ranging from extra small to extra large. And also it comes with the USB-C cable. So if you already have a USB-C cable, you really don't need what's in the box. So let's open these. Oh, it comes like that. So it's in here. Just need to download the app, the Soundcore app. Either it's on the App Store or Google Play Store. So let's get these open. Voila. Charging case. Also comes with touch control, which I really don't need that. So I can even open this case up because my nails are being... Oh, never mind. Slides out. It's not like an open, slides out. There you go. Like that. And then I can get these out. My nails do not want to cooperate with me. Also, these come in like multiple colors besides black. Comes with red, blue, black. I got the black and gold ones. So here they are. They kind of remind me of the original AirPods from Apple, not the AirPods Pro, because the little tip is a little shorter. So here they go. They got the right and left ones right here. So I'm just gonna put these in here. And I haven't set them up because I literally just opened the box. So they're $100 a piece. So there you go. Don't need that. It's going in my bag. And you got a little book here. Going in my bag. Don't need that right now. And all the ear tips and all are come like right here. Come right there, which I don't know. I have to play around with them still. They come with like, it says here it's like extra small to whatever. But I think the ones that come with are the size mediums. So I'm probably going to be testing them out when I'm at the gym. I'm probably going to give them a test tomorrow and see how they are. So we will give it a shot tomorrow. So that's all I wanted to say, but I've heard wonderful things about these. So I will probably give them a test tomorrow. I mean, the case is pretty small. So obviously you can put it in your pocket, purse, whatever. But I usually carry around a few pairs of earbuds around because you never know. Backups are good, so never know. But I'm gonna give these a test out within the next few days, and I will let you know what I think of these with my next video. So have a good one.